Alright, y'all, I actually noticed this a few weeks back. We're actually here in Boulder at a Phillips 66 on, let's see, what is it, Iris and 28th. But this AquaJet XT got replaced with another new one, so I figure we can do a video of this thing. Third gen XT AquaJet. There's a 17 now. 9, 13, 15, and 17.
Please insert payment now.
Oh, okay. That wants me to do this.
Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
I almost dropped my phone there. I had a swim meet tonight, so I figured I'd knock this out while I'm here. Like, the previous machine wasn't even that old. I don't know why they decided to upgrade it to a new one. Probably has the new dryers too. Brand new machine and the horn already doesn't work. Although it's also been a while since I've done a nighttime car wash. It's always kind of fun to do that every once in a while. High pressure wheel blasters. Yeah, high pressure wheel blasters instead of scrubbers on this thing. Also has onboard dryers like the previous one, and they're probably the new dryers as well. double application. Interesting. Looks like the waterfall and the turbo nozzles. I'm not sure when the dryer's gonna start up. I feel like that might be spot free, but I could be wrong. Oh. No, that's something else. Not sure why with these machines the top one gets more high pressure than the sides. Okay, so with the older dryers, I have a thought. This might be the same machine. It could have just gotten reskinned. What if that back dryer nozzle is going to pivot again? It's hard to tell. This may not actually be a new machine. I don't know now. I gotta look at my previous video and see if it's just a re-skinning of the machine. Okay. But still interesting, because it looks completely different than what I filmed it last time. That was a few years ago, though. So it looks like it still did pretty good. So, and price probably increased, so I won't be surprised there. I'm gonna go out the other way. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this 9:48 p.m. car wash, and that'll be it.